Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Chrysler Pacifica Limited in luxury white pearl. With adaptive cruise control, S appearance package, 18-inch aluminum wheels, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 47,000 miles in the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, heated second row seats, tri-pane panoramic sunroof, SEATBACK video screens, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7520A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.